What's going on, peeps? Today I'm going to show you a real quick short one. How to remove the memory from your fishing line. Obviously your mono or fluorocarbon. So let's get into it. This will be a quick one. Step one, take your spool, put it in some hot water. Doesn't have to be boiling. Grab a little mason jar. Weigh it down so it sits in there like that. Let that soak for 10-15 minutes or so. Here's before. Super curly. And this is after a little water soak. Nice and straight. All right, step 2. Grab yourself a lid. One that has a nice convenient little hole on it. Pretty sure these are made for spooling up reels, but grab yourself a lid, put it right over top of that bowl. Let me show you. All right, it's been soaking for a minute. You can see it's got virtually no memory in it, kind of nice. Keep that down in your water. And take and feed the end of your line through the nice convenient hole on the lid. After that's done, grab your rod and reel of choice and start spooling. So, most lines, everything minus, I guess, braid, is made of a plastic polymer. So, what ends up happening is when the lines get put on these spools from the factory, they hold those coils pretty tight, right? Kind of like a slinky.
Everyone loves a slinky. You gotta get a slinky, 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 go slinky, go!
Once they sit on those shelves in those spools, they hold that memory, and it's not the easiest to get rid of it. Now, once you spool up the line, you're probably, of course, as it sits, you're probably going to recreate that memory on your spool. But if you're any, good at fishing, what'll end up happening is as you catch fish, it'll put some stretch in that line and keep that line fairly straight. So yeah, the more you know, the more you know. So I'm gonna get this all spooled up, and we have a big trip coming up this weekend. I'll fill you guys in on that over the next day or so, but it's gonna be a fun one. Stay tuned.